Strategy is really going to help you, so sorry, can you sit down? Solve it the way that you know how to solve it to check your answer. For example, you have 1 divided by 1/3. Now how can we make 1 look like a fraction? Jade. 1 is the same as 1/1. Now when we divide fractions, Preston, what do? You think? You're right, I see this stuff. You're right.
Flip the opposite fraction.
We're gonna flip this, okay? So that becomes 3/1. And do we divide?
No, you won't.
We're gonna multiply, right? So we made this a fraction. All right, Caleb. We flip this to make 3/1, and you multiply straight across. So look, 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 3/1 is the same as 3. So your answer should be 3. This is a way to double check. Don't do this first. Do this after you get your answer to double check your answer, okay? Thumbs up, you understand? You can see thumbs from everybody, right? This is a way to double check your answer, all right?
Yeah, but remember what I said, guys. You got to prove it. Just because you write it down, well, why do you flip the fraction?
This is helping to reinforce what we've learned,
I want
okay?
you to prove it using this. What? We're going to go with this. Alright guys, let's figure this out. We already know what our answer, we already know the answer is 3. We'll prove it now. Prove it. Somebody prove it. Somebody prove it. Travis, how did you get 3? So we know this.
And you're trying to find out how many times 1/3 can go into 1.
So we're trying to find how many times this can go into this.
It goes in there 3 times to make the hexagon, so the answer is going to be 3.
So 1/3 goes in 1, 2, 3 times. Our answer is 3, okay? Our answer is 3. Let's try a little bit tougher one. Let's try a little bit tougher one. Let's try a little bit tougher one, guys. How many times 1/2 go into 1/3? Or how many times does 1/3 go into 1/2? Don't yell out your answer, guys. Think about it.
Prove it.
Prove it. I'm a little thick skull today. I don't know what's going on. Alright guys, solve it, talk with your partner. Solve it, talk with your partner.
Well, you can't say it goes 2 times because it's too much. That's more than 1. Something.
1 and 1.
We want to be 2. Think about it. Use your block.
What if you wanted
Yeah. Show with the block. I'm not telling you yes or no. I'm not saying your answer's right, I'm not saying it's wrong. I want you to think about it for a second. You are on the right track. You're definitely on the right track. You're not wrong, you're on the right track. Come here, Daddy. Can you show you, Parker? Alright, so look. We're trying to figure out how many pieces like this it takes to fill that up. Okay? So look, you can put one on there. But then you fill up the whole thing. So you are saying 1 and 1 6, that's fine. Okay? It's going to be 1 1/2. Because it's 1, and this is exactly 1/2 of that block, right? 1 1/2.
Great.
You're trying to figure out what is 1/2 divided into 1/3. So 1/2 divided by 1/3. You'll go 1 time, so there's the fill for the whole thing, right? Hey, Mark, do you have your answer? Alright, so we're gonna go 1 time. It's not 1/6. It's 1/2. So look, we'll go 1, and this is exactly half. So it'll go 1 and 1/2. So 1 blue block and half the block. How you cut 1/2? That filled up blue, right? So the answer is 1 and 1/2. Now you know it's 1/6, but it's 1/2. That's the answer. It'll go over. Hey, Hannah, what did you get for that? Sophie, Maya, what did y'all get? It's not 1/2. Let me show you. Show you. You got 1/2? 1/2 is wrong. Bring me a red green blue. Green object. Alright, so we're trying to figure out you're dividing 1/2 by 1/3 pieces, right? So you all said 1/2. Look, this is 1. 1 will go on this, right? It's a little bit more than the max because you got in this.
2/3.
How many
And then you
blue
have
blocks
that.
make the red?
Yeah. And then you gotta divide by 3.
One doesn't go.
Okay.
1/3.
1.5. Now, I know you see that and you say, oh, 1 and 1/6. No, because this is exactly 1/2 of blue, right? If I could cut a blue in half, I could cut up blue because blue is a half right there. So it's 1 blue block and a half. You understand? 1.5. Y'all said a half. That's a half right there. The whole thing. This is a little bit. There's 1.5. We're trying to figure out how many blue blocks there was. Divide them by 10. So there's 1.
Alright, class, let's finish up this one, then you can finish up the rest on your own, okay? Let's finish up this one, and we'll finish up the rest on our own. Alright, so we're saying, how many times 1/3 goes into 1/2? We're seeing how many times 1/3 can go into 1/2? Who got an answer? Who got an answer? Press.
And you divide them.
1/1/2. How did you get that? Prove it. That's the word of the day. Phrase of the day, sorry. You can't prove it, then your answer's no good to me. You can prove it. Isaiah, you've been on it all day. I want to hear somebody else. Alexis, you can help. Jay, can you prove it? Sophie,
The question is, how many green blocks does it take to fill up blue blocks?
you got our trapezoid, okay.
And you put rhombus on top of it.
So you put rhombus on top of your trapezoid, okay.
And then you use the triangle, which
Triangle, okay.
is 1/2 of a rhombus,
How do we know?
because
So you put the triangle over top of the rhombus. Beside the rhombus? How did you find out that the triangle is half of the rhombus?
Yeah, so how many blues does it take?
How do you know? You're on the right track.
So like 1/2 and 1/3. Well, this is 1/3.
1/6 is 1/2 and 1/3, right? There.
Show me something. Here, read one. Show that.
and 1/2
Alright, so
You
like
have the right answer. How's this triangle 1/2 of this rhombus?
okay, you're trying to find half of.
We know 1/6 is half of 1/3. How do we know that this triangle is half of this?
Trying to find half that shit.
Isaiah, help her out.
Because if you put two triangles to make up one rhombus, if you cut the rhombus, you have to top it out.
So this triangle is half this
Well,
rhombus.
those are triangles, those are triangles. He kept one
So
to the answer.
this will split the 3 triangles into 3 halves, which is what?
Then we
1.5.
show we said.
So if you write, right,
2 more, so
I just want you to prove it.
4, 6.
Prove it. Alright guys, let's work on the rest. Let's try to work on the rest of them, okay? Don't just Alright guys, let's wrap up what we're doing right now. Let's wrap up what we're doing right now. Oh, I'm not gonna ask you to help me. Or just come up and bum rush me. Am I? Sophie asked to help. Literally asked to help. So she's gonna
Separate your blocks. The rest of you get ready for reading.
separate your blocks over